We present a new natural user interface for interactive displays that communicate via gesture, voice commands and visual support to encourage the youth in politics. The unwillingness of young guys to participate in the society seriously prevents sustainable well-being, social growth and economic well-being. We used a design thinking approach to solve this problem in a human-centered way. It's a hands-on approach, following a structured process to come to innovate solutions. This brings together what is desirable from the youth's point of view, which is technologically feasible and economically viable. Our target user was the youth that considers interacting with an interactive product as beneficial. The context environment for the video that was used for this research was a common room in an apartment on campus where people can hang out, but can also work in other environments as shown in this video. We used both qualitative and quantitative research methods to help us gather data from participants. Preliminary solution was discussed with the client. Features of the solution were identified. Natural user interface for interactive display was proposed after we gathered and analyzed data. We made a video of the proposed interactive display for evaluation testing. Here are some comments and quotes from participants, and also gathered some data for statistical purposes. Concept evaluation and UX goals were established. Finding from the evaluation suggests that the youth feel the current way of politics, example voting, was outdated and boring and they might need an extra push of motivation. We learned some useful lessons from the study, and proposed some useful information for large-scale studies. We suggest that natural user interface that communicate via gesture, voice commands and visual support and motivate the youth can be part of broader youth civic engagement ecosystem. Watch our product demonstration idea.
Hello.
Hi Sonia, how would you like to interact? First option is gesture, listen, read and talk mode, and second option is gesture, read and talk mode.
Option 1.
Here are a list of political candidates.
Cursor. As per the list, which of this candidate is addressing the important issues of the community?
Mr. Aston has solved the important issue of community, including unemployment and electricity breakage. Would you like to know anything more about that candidate?
Yes. What is his previous performances and qualification?
Past performance. AS did not work for their members. GST stood with their people. IGS fulfilled their promises made in last elections. Performance comparison. AS failed in delivering. GST performance was satisfied. IGS performed better than all of the parties. Party plan. AST's plan is to reduce unemployment. GST's plan is to increase literacy rate of the nation. IGS's plan is to make education free and development of country. Here is a security voting. The cameras are switched on. You can vote for more than one candidate.
Cursor.
You've voted for the first candidate. Want to apply for voters' tax card? Voters can raise any issue of their society. Voters can be part of society's well-being. Voters can decide on the nation's leadership. Voters can get reduced taxes.
Okay, but how can voters play a key role in country's development?
Voting or voters can help in evolving the democracy and in bringing the change.
Thank you.
You can apply for voters' tax card or check your voting status.
Okay, I want to apply for the tax card.
You will receive your tax card through your email, WhatsApp or Telegram. You can choose your participation in social activities, 1,000 plus jobs for registered voters or 200 paid programs.
Okay, I would like to explore the paid programs. Please select this through hand cursor gesture.
Please confirm your participation.
Yes.
List of paid programs confirmed. Great move.
Goodbye.